Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Stellar started a very nice bullish reversal move and re-entered the same parallel channel that was previously broken down. And I was telling you that now there is a probability that Stellar may have another small dip in order to complete the right shoulder of inverse head and shoulder pattern. Let me just show you what I told you in my last video. Like this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and for the formation of the right shoulder, we need another rejection, and after that rejection, the price end can form the right shoulder, and then it can break out the next the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern because. So far, you can see it is a perfect right shoulder and a head. Therefore, there is a probability that we may have another small dip for the completion of the right shoulder. Now, if we take a look at the live 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after this bullish reversal, we had that small dip that I was telling you, and exactly from this support of the channel, the price line is reversed back, and now there's this right shoulder of inverse head and shoulder pattern is also formed. This is the left shoulder in head, and this is the right shoulder. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Stellar that I shared a few days back on 7th of May 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And first of all, let me to take you to this trade signal that I shared on 7th of May 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move. And you can see after the completion of the leg, the price line slightly moved up. And therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down. And once it will be entered in the buying zone, then after some price correction, we can catch it from the buying zone. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and re-entered this buying zone and still moving inside this potential reversal zone. And I'm expecting that soon it can start a massive price reversal from here. And before this, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern on 18th of April 2023. And this was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a price reversal from this buying zone. We reached the sell target zone here, and we had another price reversal. And after hitting the sell target zone 2 times, the price line had another big drop. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the live 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the parallel channel that I was showing you previously, and you can see we broke down the support, but that was a fake out, and the price line re-entered the same channel that was previously broken down. And during this move, the price line has also formed this right shoulder and a head and this left shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. If we take a look at the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then neckline is slightly moving to the downside. This is, by the way, the neckline for this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And after breaking out this neckline, there will be a very high probability that the price line may also break out the resistance of this parallel channel as well, because the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at 9.2 cents. And the target for this breakout, once it will be happen from this down channel, it will be able to break it out. And the target for this breakout will be approximately at 9.28 cents. The target for the this inverse head and shoulder pattern is 9.21, and the target for this channel is 9.28 cents. Now, if we move to the bigger time frame on the weekly time frame chart, then here we already have a very, very big and huge development. We have broken out the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. And I've been telling you for the past several months, almost in every video, that this can be a kind of repetitive move like we previously had back in 2020 when we broke out a very, very big down channel and we had a very, very massive rally. That was almost 3,000% rally from this low to this high. Same as like that, we can expect another very, very massive rally. Now the price line is getting bounced from the support of this rising wedge pattern. You can see it is dropped at the support of the rising wedge. And for example, if Stellar will be able to break out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then the target to the upside can be approximately at 16.2 cents, where we have this very long-term resistance. If we take a look at the previous history of this resistance of 16.2 cents, then you can see here it was working as a support, and here as a support, and here as a resistance, and here back in March 2018, it was working as a very strong support. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge that can be between 80 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.